Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Yeah, updated chart. I mean, on the daily chart, there is not really much to update. The price dipped strongly, has recovered over 60% in less than 24 hours. It was a textbook liquidation event and recovery pump and dump, or rather dump and pump, more like that. But the pullback was only in 3 waves. And again, we've recovered. I mean, it's difficult to call it pullback. I mean, it doesn't look much on this log chart. It was like, you know, from the top, it declined like, 55%. Obviously, it recovered already more than 60% from the low. At least that's what I measured. I think roughly, to where we're now. Okay, 50 as well, roughly 50, 60%, depending on from where exactly I measure. But yeah, roughly, so pretty good recovery. Basically back in the range in which we've been for more than a month. Yeah. Now, is the low in or not? We have to consider the smaller time frame to get an answer there, right? We have to check the shorter time frame pattern, and the ideal would be on this chart another move up in wave 5. So that could be wave 5 of a larger C wave, or it could be wave 5 of wave C of B in yellow. Yeah. So whether it's the yellow count or the white count, I don't know. I think yellow makes absolute sense, but what is the yellow count, by the way? The yellow count is just a B wave bottomed here, and this could be a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. That's sort of what I'm tracking now for Link as well. I think that the yellow count on the Link chart, if you watch the chain link video today, then you know about that. So I just want to make you aware, nothing is broken, you know, we're still holding above daily chart support. You see, sometimes people ask me, why do you give these charts so much space? The support area is so far away. See, when the chart can drop like 50% in a day or something, 40% or whatever, while still holding the scenario, it is what it is. The charts need that breathing space. Again, you know, it is what it is. So we have to consider that always with the altcoins. They get these events every few months. That's sort of normal. And therefore, the larger time frame support areas are typically far away. Yeah. Now, don't get me wrong, it's very difficult to actually catch the low here. We did it yesterday on the Bitcoin chart, but on an altcoin chart, that's even more tricky in my opinion. Much more volatile. So, you know, unless you're really sitting in front of the screen, yeah, you won't catch it, right? So unless you have a limit order set or something, you won't catch it. But that's why, you know, you can't catch every move. It is what it is. Support is defined. It's still holding. We're still watching for at least one more high. What I have to mention though is, if this here isn't the low in wave 4, then it might form an A, B, C structure for a larger 4 and could then recover from there, okay? So that means any break below the swing low from yesterday, which formed here around 17.5 cents, opens the door to a dip to round about 9.8 cents. And the 9.8 cent level is the key support for this wave 4, right? For a larger wave 4. So now let's take a look at the smaller time frame, because only the smaller time frame will tell us whether the chart could have bottomed. Now, my interpretation is that from the low, even though it's an impressive recovery, I can only identify 3 waves to the upside here on the HBAR chart. I would like to see another 4-5 pattern. So the wave 4 needs to hold 23 cents, and then the wave 5 should reach 31 cents or 32. Ideally, wave C of 3 even gets another high to 29.2 cents first, okay? But it already reached, I believe, the 123.6 extension. That is the bare minimum for a third wave. Very weak. Now, that sounds crazy if I say it like that, because it recovered substantially. So, you know, maybe there are some distortions in this move, which wouldn't be surprising after such a rapid recovery. There might be some distortions. So, yeah, if it now pulls back, it could be wave 4 here with support at 23 cents. So if it holds that, forms one more high, should get 1 or 2 fib levels above the third wave, then we likely bottom, because that's the 5-wave move then. So essentially it needs that 5-wave move in order, you know, to get some help, to get out of trouble, you know, Obviously, we are not in an area at the moment where the price has confirmed the reversal. It's just impressive upside action, but after an equally impressive decline or frustrating decline. So we need that structure in place. The size of the move is one thing, but we need that structure in place. Okay, that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.